will be reviewing the Maybelline SuperStay Full Coverage Concealer. And I'm going to be testing it out throughout the day. Let's just jump into the video. I'm not wearing any concealer right now. I did review the SuperStay Full Coverage Foundation about a year ago. Yeah, it was a year ago. It looked like I did have the right shade, but it wasn't the right shade. It was a little bit too dark. And then that summer, I got super tan way too fast, so I wasn't able to use that foundation. And it does have like a pink undertone to it, so I haven't been using the foundation, but I do like the finish of the foundation. When I bought this concealer, I was looking for the right foundation. I need the right shade. It was sold out, but I promise I'll try to get the right foundation. So this little guy is the same as the foundation, but it's in a concealer form. So this comes in 12 shades that I did not know about, because the Walmart I purchased it only had 4 shades: fair, medium, this one which is sand, and then there was a darker concealer which I believe was deep cocoa. This looked more like my shade. I hope it is my shade. So I got this little guy for $12.96 Canadian dollars at Walmart, but you can also get it at Maybelline.ca for $11.99. I believe they're also available at Shoppers. So this is the cute little packaging. Oh, it's so adorable. It has 0.23 fluid ounces. I thought it was interesting because it has a little, it's called the paddle applicator. What you need to know about this concealer is that it's up to 24 hours wear. It is waterproof, transfer resistant, and smudge resistant. Also, it's lasting transformation. This is in the shade Sand, number 20. I'm super excited to try the paddle applicator. So I'm just gonna conceal my eyes now. Let's hope it is my, it looks like it is my color. I'm just gonna try not to get super excited about it. I think that was a lot of concealer. Because it does say it is transfer resistant and smudge resistant, I'm scared it might dry fast, so I'm gonna do one eye at a time. And let's see. I do see the pink undertone in this. I'm not really a fan. I need a yellow undertone concealer. I don't know if you guys can catch that on camera, but to me it looks a little bit pinkish. I'm gonna do the other eye. So as you guys can see, I have like really bad dark circles. It looks like it did cover it up. I have tried the Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer, and I didn't really like it because it did crease on my under eye really fast. And to be honest guys, this one does not feel like that. I'm going to highlight my nose with this. With the wand, it actually makes it easy to highlight. Okay, I'm going to use my Derma Blend loose setting powder in the shade Cool Beige to set that under eye. So this might kind of make it a little bit darker because this is a yellowy undertone. Let's hope. Okay, so now that I set my under eye, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face and come back and talk a little bit more about the product. Alright guys, so my face is done. I set my face using the Urban Decay All Night Setting Spray. On my monitor it looks like this is light pink, but in person it does not look like it's a pink undertone. So I don't know, it's probably just the monitor. Normally I use the Kiss New York Pro Concealer. It covers up my dark circles perfectly. It doesn't look like it's creasing. I will get close and personal. This is what it looks like guys. It's not creasing at all. I like it. It does look nice. Let me know what you guys think. So it has been half an hour since I applied it. We're gonna see how it wears out throughout the day. So when I come back, I'm gonna show you guys if it's waterproof, transfer proof, smudge resistant. I just don't want to smudge it right now. So far, I like the packaging. I like the paddle applicator. It's not rough on your skin. It's pretty soft. The color looks like it is my color, but it does definitely have a pink undertone to it. You can't really tell in person because I set it with my Derma Blend Loose Setting Powder, which has like a bit of a yellow undertone. So I do want to say, when you swatch the concealer, it looks at first yellowish, but once you start blending it, you start seeing the pink undertone to it. And on my little swatch, you guys can see it actually hides my vein. My veins pop out like crazy. But yeah, I will be back at the end of the day to let you guys know my thoughts on this concealer and to show you guys how it wears out. Hey guys, so I am back. It is 8:32 a.m. What? It's 8:32 p.m. I did not retouch my makeup, my under eye. I do see that it's creasing on my fine lines. Not a lot. It's honestly like you're like this close to me. It looks like it's very oily. That could be the setting powder. I don't know. Maybe I'll also give it a try with the Laura Mercier powder. I'm not sure if it lost coverage. I kind of feel like you can see my dark circles here. I didn't touch my eyes, I didn't touch my face, so it's just wearing out. It's 7 hours of wear right now. It could be the setting powder. This doesn't really happen with my other concealer. It's not a lot, like I said, but it does increase like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna get closer. I don't think you'll be able to see it in the close-up, but just getting closer so you guys can see. Okay, so we're gonna try waterproof, transfer resistant, and smudge resistant. I'll rub this one and then I'll wet this one. Let's try this side here. Okay, so I don't see any, I don't know if you guys can tell. So it's probably just like, it feels like it's the powder that I'm grabbing, and it says it's smudge proof. I don't know about that because does it look the same? It kind of looks the same. So I don't know. I'm like smudging here like crazy. I can't really tell if, I'm pretty sure it's just my powders. You guys see my highlighter? Probably on camera it looks the same, but I feel like it did take a little bit of coverage as opposed to this one. So we're gonna do the water test, and for that I'm going to remove my eyelashes because I don't want to ruin my eyelashes. I'm just gonna squirt some water on my face. It's just like raindrops, okay? Just letting you guys know, raindrops. It says waterproof, but it's just like raindrops. So you can see the water on it, okay? I don't even know if I got some water on my under eye though. There you go. Okay, I got more water. Okay, we'll see. I don't know if you guys can pick up the creasing, but it's definitely creasing up a lot more. Like I see a lot more of my fine lines than I do on this eye. So now I'm just gonna let it dry. Well, the rest of my face here, this is like ruined by the water, but the concealer is still there. It does feel like it stays on, but a little bit right here, just a little bit right there. Let's say it stays on. It does wear off a little bit, not with the water. It still looks the same. It's just creasing a lot more with the water. I would definitely use this concealer on a daily basis. It probably didn't want to work properly with my Blend setting powder, so I'm going to try with the Laura Mercier. The Laura Mercier has more of a matte finish. The Blend too, but I feel like the Blend still not that powerfully drying. Overall, I do like the whole packaging is cute. The paddle applicator, it's nice and comfortable. Alright, so that completes the review on the Maybelline SuperStay Full Coverage Concealer. Let me know your thoughts on this concealer in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys till my next video. Bye!